One name keeps appearing in AI videos and articles. Obsidian. At first, it sounds like something from science fiction. Or maybe a game item. But it turns out to be a note-taking app. A simple tool. With an interesting philosophy behind it. The word obsidian means volcanic glass. Lava cools rapidly. And becomes a hard, dark natural glass. An explorer named Obsius, or Obsidius, was recorded as bringing this stone from Ethiopia. Obsius. Lapis obsianus. Obsidianus. Obsidian. A moment of molten lava became a stone. That outlasts centuries. Today, obsidian is often described as a second brain. It uses Markdown notes. It connects documents. It works as a personal vault. Thoughts become linked. Memory becomes easier to search. AI can join the process. The question behind it is simple. How can I remember more? And work more efficiently? Shardhana started differently. It was not planned as a system. Notes were written down. So they would not be forgotten. Fragments were saved to GitHub. One document became another. Simple records began to pile up. And somewhere along the way, they became traces of thinking. The records began to connect with roles. Shauna and Hannah turned thoughts into structure. Laudy turns ideas into code. Jiko handles fast local patches. Cursor runs and repeats experiments. Cass reads context and structure. Jemmy verifies assumptions. And checks reliability. And the final decision always belongs to Jane Doe. Obsidian usually begins with me. Me. Memory. Productivity. The question is, how can I work more efficiently? Shardhana begins with a question. A GitHub document. Shauna. Laudy and Jiko. Cursor. Experiment. CSV data. Jemmy verification. And then, a new question. The question is, what are we missing? Shardhana records did not stay inside GitHub. A document became a research note image. The image became TTS narration. The narration became an MP4 video. The video went to YouTube. Then came new conversations. And new questions. A record stopped being storage. It became the beginning of something spreading outward. Shardhana is not against Obsidian. They belong to the same moment in time. Both use Markdown. Both record thoughts. Both work alongside AI. The difference is in the goal. Obsidian is about expanding memory. Shardhana is about keeping a question alive. Maybe this is not a vault for right answers. Maybe it is a small lab. Where strange questions can survive. Questions that look like scribbles. Ideas that might seem useless. Thoughts that might disappear. If no one writes them down. Someday, looking back, we may be able to smile. We were not trying to build a productivity tool. We were looking for a way to not lose the question. Imagination is free. A daydream can become a GitHub document. A document can become a video. And a video can become someone else's question. Obsidian is volcanic glass. Built for memory. Shardhana is a thought archive. Built for questions.